Published, 1842 Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the 2nd of July 2018. Updated, 1845 Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the 2nd of July 2018. A disappointed Spain squad touched down in Madrid on Monday evening as they were consoled by family and friends following their elimination from the World Cup. Goalkeeper David de Gea cut a forlorn figure, as did manager Fernando Hierro, as the country tried to come to terms with their shock exit to hosts Russia on penalties. The 2010 champions' preparations were thrown into turmoil on the eve of the tournament with the dismissal of boss Julen Lopetegui, and despite winning Group B, they never found form. Many know they are capable of. Spain's players arrived back in Madrid late on Monday evening following their World Cup exit. The players were met by supportive friends and family as the squad come to terms with exit. Fans were kept apart from the players as they were swiftly escorted away with their luggage. Players swiftly took to their social media after the exit to apologize to supporters for the unexpected exit. Isco wrote on Instagram, "Today is the saddest day of my career, but this is football and this does not stop. Life does not stop. It's time to get up as we have always done." With the fall of Germany in the group stage, it appeared that Spain had a relatively straightforward route to the final as they fell in the kinder half of the draw. But Sergei Ignashievich's early own goal was cancelled out by Artem Dzyuba minutes before the interval, and the hosts' resiliency was evident for all to see as they forced a penalty shootout. David de Gea cut a subdued figure as he kept a low profile after a disappointing tournament. Gerard Piqué is among a number of players that will weigh up their international futures, but boss Fernando Hierro appears likely to be replaced after a below-par World Cup campaign. Russia converted their first 4 penalties and did not need to take a fifth as Koke and Iago Aspas both saw penalties saved by Igor Akinfeev to send the host nation into delirium. It marked the end of Andres Iniesta's international career, and others such as 32-year-old David Silva and 31-year-old Gerard Piqué are now expected to consider their futures ahead of Euro 2020 qualification. But while stars weigh up whether to commit for the next major tournament, it is unlikely boss Hierro will be afforded the same luxury as fans unanimously want to change moving forward. A Marca poll has former Barcelona boss Luis Enrique as the leading candidate, with many believing Hierro lacks the experience as a top-level manager.